Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Wednesday, November 29th, 2023. It is 3:51 and 42 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, new material. So let's hop to it here. Researchers engineer a material that can perform different tasks depending on temperature. Date November 28th, 2023. Source: University of Illinois. Researchers report they have developed a new composite material designed to change behaviors depending on temperature in order to perform specific tasks. These materials are poised to be part of the next generation of autonomous robotics that will interact with the environment. The scientific investigators and researchers use computer algorithms, two distinct polymers, and 3D printing to reverse engineer a material that expands and contracts in response to temperature change with or without human intervention. And creating a material or device that will respond in specific ways depending on its environment is very challenging to conceptualize using human intuition alone. There are just so many design possibilities out there, so instead they decide to work with a computer algorithm to help them determine the best combination of materials and geometry. The team first used computer modeling to conceptualize a two-polymer composite that can behave differently under various temperatures based on user input or autonomous sensing. And for this study, they developed a material that can behave like soft rubber in low temperatures and as stiff plastic in high temperatures. And as the scientific investigators noted, once fabricated into a tangible device, the team tested the new composite material's ability to respond to temperature changes to perform a simple task: switch on LED lights. The study demonstrates that it is possible to engineer a material with intelligent temperature sensing capabilities, and they envision this being very useful in robotics. And for example, if a robotic's carrying capacity needs to change when the temperature changes, the material will know to adapt its physical behavior to stop or perform a different task. The next goal is to use this technique to add another level of complexity to a material's programmed or autonomous behavior, such as the ability to sense the velocity of some sort of impact from another object. This will be critical for robotics materials to know how to respond to various hazards in the field. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.